UNAVI X9 is an in-dash Android tablet solution that is engineered to retain all factory features. It is a plug-and-play system just like our previous models, which means that there is no need for any extra wiring or harnesses. This is the UNAVI home screen. Here, you'll be able to access the radio display, the navigation, and the Android home screen. There are also some multimedia programs that will allow you to play music and video files. A key feature of the UNAVI X9 is the retention of all OEM features, which includes, but is not limited to, FM/AM radio, satellite radio, Bluetooth, aux playback, USB MP3 playback, basically any feature from factory. All steering wheel controls are retained as well. If equipped, the OE rear view camera is retained. Any add-on rear view camera can also be added to the system. The UNAVI X9 is also equipped with iGhost Next-Gen Maps, which is a dedicated navigation software. Access maps without connecting to the internet, as network data is not required. The system uses a GPS antenna to receive map information and your current location. A new feature of this UNAVI is the incorporation of the Android operating system. Download your favorite map and music apps from the Google Play Store. Connect to your home's Wi-Fi or use a mobile hotspot to get access to the internet. Sign in into your Google account to start downloading your favorite apps from the Google Play Store. Please visit unavi-usa.com or call the toll-free number at 855-558-6284 for more information on the X9 and where to buy it. Thank you.